All right, beautiful snow people. It is.
There's an eyelash in my eye. Okay, I got it out.
There's an eyelash in her eye. It is the. What day is this, Hana? 19th, 20th. It's the 20th of December.
Wednesday.
And, yeah, Wednesday. And my daughter Hana and I say hi, Hana.
Hana.
We are going to get our season passes all set up. We got her some new jacket and new pants, and we got some new jacket. We got new jacket, new pants from Cedar Sports down in Cedar City. They are absolutely fantastic. They have so much stuff. They have season-long rentals. Are you so excited?
Are we doing a promotional video?
Kind of.
Yeah, I am.
Highly recommend them, by the way. They've got some great deals. And so we're gonna get our stuff all set up for the season. Today will be a little bit of a pain.
Cedar Sports didn't hire us, we promise.
No, they didn't pay us. And it's gonna be awesome. Let's go have some fun. All right, so here we are getting our 23-24 season pass. Hana's so stoked. You so stoked? Heck yeah. These guys are amazing. I'm very grateful for them. They do the hard work around here. I just get to slide around and look at stuff. Okay. So this is Hana's first slide of the season. Nice. You remembered how to do it. Woohoo!
I mean, yeah, I've been skiing for a few years, Dad.
I know,
You'd
but
think I'd
still.
remember, you know?
You'd hope so. It is so cool to have her out here. That makes that really makes you feel good. All right, Hana. So that was your very first run of the 23-24 season. How did it go for you?
It was fun, and I'm glad that we caught that dude who was trying to sneak up the thing.
What was he doing?
He was just like, he took off his snowboard, and he like was just walking up, and he kept looking around. Pretty sure that was so he wouldn't get caught.
Yep. Yeah, so there is no uphill traffic here. Even if you have a season pass or a pass or whatever, we don't want people just walking up the runs, because obviously it's fairly dangerous. So that's no bueno. We don't want that.
For obvious reasons.
For all the obvious reasons. So Hana's going to be a ski patrol during college. Heck yeah.
If I go to college here, I'm probably going to go to Harvard or Yale.
You heard it here first.
Or both.
Harvard or Yale or both.
Probably both.
She wants to be a lawyer, right? Yep.
Love that. You know?
I hear you.
Okay.
This is the first run on Navajo on 4 today with the Hana. Well, we're gonna go take a quick break. Here's Hana getting ketchup from the finest tomato ketchup. I don't know if there's any other kind of ketchup. Some solid work there, Hana. Some solid work. Here's our food, looking good. Super hungry.
What you're doing.
The mustard struggles are real, people. So this would be a rare opportunity to capture the bow in his natural habitat. Call sign, Blade. Normally don't get to have him because he doesn't work Fridays.
I come out of the cave every once in a while.
Yeah. They occasionally turn him free. Oh, I gotta catch up to my daughter. All right, on snow interview, Hana Scott. It is the 20th of December. It's a Wednesday. Nice and sunny and warm. Hana, you having a fun time for your first time back on the mountain?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't think my
nice.
face has been sunburned.
Yeah, a little bit.
Really?
No. Boost action. Hana is demonstrating what I like to call the power pizza. Doing a great job, having lots of fun, dodging people. So everybody keep in mind, as we only have one groomed run over here on Navajo, that it's going to be fairly crowded. Hence all these people. A little bit not optimal. It's better when it's not like this. But still fun. The snow is really nice. And then for no apparent reason, Hana wanted to try chair 6 again. Just for fun. Which is fine with me. I don't really care. Alright everybody, so here we back. We are back on chair number 6, lift number 6. Hana, how come we're back on chair number 6?
Because I'm tired, too tired for 4.
What's tiring about 4?
It's steep. And there's a lot of people who don't warn me.
Gets a little scary with all the people, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit. Chair number 6, land of struggles. All right, so Bo just checked off one of the bingo cards. That would be a download on chair 6. So that'd be that lady right there. All right, Hana, you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Today has been absolutely epic. Hana has been so good. Look at her. She's doing so good. All right, we're gonna go to the left side of the lift this time. See where that person with the blue pants is down there? That's where we're going. Today has been so good, super fun, nice and warm, not crazy, not snowing, not icy, not super crowded, just perfect. A great day for my Hana to begin this season. Appreciate you guys and gals watching. If you wouldn't mind, please like the video, subscribe, and come on out to Bryan Head. It's fantastic. All right, Hana, did you have a good time?
Yeah, and subscribe to my friend, Brad Joe.
What you're doing.
The mustard struggles are real, people.